Welcome back, everyone. We are going to further our understanding of Outlook, and in preparation for adding an account to Outlook, email account, I want to explain mail flow because it has a very big impact on how you need to configure your account. So you get different types of mailboxes. You get POP and IMAP, and you get the likes of Exchange or Office 365 or Google account, which is an online mailbox. So POP and IMAP is not online. Let's discuss POP and IMAP first. A POP email server usually has a small mailbox that is dedicated or allocated to you, and there's a reason for this. POP is supposed to be a push and pull email approach. So if you set up Outlook on your laptop and you do not configure it correctly, you go by the default way that POP performs, your laptop will then query the server. It's going to connect to the server through the settings that you configure when you set up the account. It's going to check if there's any emails in that mailbox using your mailbox username and password, and it's going to take whatever there is and pull it to your machine. If you now want to check your emails from your mobile, it's going to try and connect to the email server, but the email server is empty because the emails was already downloaded to the laptop, unless you set and change a specific setting that we will get to shortly. Then with IMAP is sort of an online mailbox type of setup. Now that arrow is going to bug me. Let's get the arrow away. So we've got emails on our server. IMAP is the situation where your emails will be replicated to the local device and to another device if you set up that account on another device, and another device if you set it up on another device. That's how it operates. If you then delete email from Susan on your mobile, it's going to be missing on your PC, on your laptop, and on the server. And if you later add another device, then say your tablet, then again, there will be a copy of these emails on that tablet there. And if you delete the email from the tablet mailbox, then it's going to be removed from this one, this one, this one, and that one. So it's basically like a sync. It's all the devices are in sync, whereas with POP, it is a one direction type of sync. It's, do you have mail? Yes, I've got mail. I'll give you my email, and I'm removing it from here. That's why it's got a small mailbox. Then you get the online, fully online types of mailboxes, which is Exchange and Google and Office 365. So this is offline. It's supposed to be offline. I want to add text. I'm not sure how to add text, but okay, fine. It's fine. That's offline, and then you get the other ones that's online. So I just wanted to point out that distinction between the two types of mailboxes. It is critical that you're aware of that. Next, we'll see how we configure accounts correctly. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.